Hello my dear friends, a very warm welcome to your channel. I am your host and your dost, gracefully yours, Shreya. First of all, I would like to thank you for the huge love and response in my previous video. And I hope that you will shower the same love in this video also. In this video, I will create this simple night out Durga Puja look and I will share the story of first ever Barowari Puja in West Bengal. Those who don't know what is Barowari Puja, watch the full video and don't forget to subscribe my channel because I am going to make more interesting vlogs in my upcoming episodes. So why are you wasting time? Let's get into the video. Before I apply any makeup, I always moisturize my skin properly in the beginning because it is not only the first step but also the most important step. Now I am using Lakme 95 Prime and Matte Liquid Foundation as it contains primer also, so I am skipping the primer. But if you don't use this foundation, then you must use the primer also. Friends, the first step of makeup is done. Now story time. Earlier in Bengal, Durga Puja was only limited to rich peoples like Raja Maharaja, Zamindars, so-called Babus of West Bengal. It was a grand celebration for them. But after some time, the middle class people and the poor people thought that why should they have all the fun, right? We can also organize a puja and we can also worship Mother Goddess, right? So around 1790, 12 Brahmins decided enough is enough. Now we are going to organize our puja for the whole community. So what they did is that they collected subscriptions from the whole community and organized the first ever Barowari Puja. It all happened at Guptipara. As there were 12 Brahmins who organized this puja, that's why this puja is also called Barowari Puja. In Bengali, Baro means 12 and Yari means friendly connection. However, there is a controversy in the exact year of the birth of Barowari Puja. That I am going to tell you after I do my concealing and contouring. Now comes the third part of the makeup, that is the concealing. I am applying concealer under my eyes. Also, I am using this concealer as a eyeshadow concealer also. So that's why I am applying it on the top of my eyelid also. I am applying it on the bridge of my nose, my forehead and on the spots which need concealing. Friends, now I am contouring my face. I am using a shade that is little bit darker than my skin tone. Friends, to be honest, I don't like very deep and harsh contouring. That's why I am using little bit light darker shade than my skin tone. So friends, my contouring and concealing is done. Now I'm going to set my face with this compact powder. Quickly I'm going to set my face and continue with the story. What I was telling about the controversy of the date. Yes, it varies. Some of the historians say that it occurred in 1769 and some say it occurred in 1719. So let's not think about the dates. Let's focus about their idea, right? So I'm taking this angle brush to set my cheeks. Friends, now time for some eye makeup. I'm doing a very light pinky browny eye makeup. So I'm taking a light brown shade and applying over my eyelid. Now I'm taking a pink shade and applying over the inner corner of my eyelid. I'm so sorry friends, the eyeliner part of the tape got destroyed. I don't know, it was not recorded, so I couldn't shoot the winged liner part. But what I did is that now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm taking a light brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. I'm really sorry about the winged liner part. नहीं हूँ, गलती हो जाती है कभी कभी, इंसान भी तो हूँ. What I did is that I just tried the winged liner look, and now I'm filling my eyebrows. So friends, my look is almost completed. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick to complete the whole look. So friends, my makeup is done. Now I'm going to use Makeup Revolution's fixing spray to fix my makeup. Okay, so now let me complete my whole look. So wait for the final. This is the complete look which I created, and I shared a beautiful story of 12 friends who started first community pujo, which is known as Barowari Pujo. Presently, it is also known as Sarbojanin Pujo. But for them, many poor people, many middle class people could enjoy, could participate in that pujo. By the way, they organized Jagodhatri Pujo, which is another roop or another form of Mother Goddess Durga. After their first Barowari Jagodhatri Pujo, they were unstoppable. They organized many other pujas also, and they became inspiration for many others. The Barowari Pujo concept was very popular that time, and many of the people in West Bengal followed it, and now it is a huge thing. So I hope you like this video, and don't worry, this is just the beginning. I'm going to make more interesting vlogs, more interesting videos for you guys. So I don't think you want to miss them, right? So if you don't want to miss them, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like my video, and please comments down below what do you feel about this video. So till then, take care, stay safe, stay sanitized, and happy pujas. Bye.